consequences.
Now I'm behind my Boston Math.
When we built our first hybrid, YouTube didn't exist, and Facebook was still
Hey, bye.
the door. When we built our first hybrid, more people had landlines than cell phones, and gas was
Hey, bye.
$1.75.
You been with her?
And now, while other luxury car makers are building their first hybrids, Lexus has 5.5 billion miles. And that's quite a good start.
Reflection of the way I live. Get ready for the ride. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
There goes the puther.
One dynamite meal. Here, take a look. So far, so good, right? Guys, big buds.
No puss.
So this morning at 11.
How's it going? It's looking really good, you two. Daisy, I like the blue, and Charlie, I like the green and yellow.
There he goes.
All right, you guys continue, okay? I'll be back soon. Alrighty? Okay, have fun.
Nope.
Okay, so I'm starting
Okay,
my
bye.
order kit with greens.